Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a saving goal in Rocket Money. So the Rocket Money's goals feature helps you save towards specific financial targets by tracking your progress over time. So this feature is available to the Rocket Money premium members, right? So you all need to have or to get the subscription if not yet. So actually guys, to set up a saving goal in this app, you will need us first to open it, right? So just open the Rocket Money app and then go to the goals tab. So currently guys, I can't show you how you can do that exactly with the steps, but I'm going to be specific on my explanation, and that's because I couldn't proceed because my Capital One bank is blocked currently, right? So actually guys, after going to the goals tab, you will need to tap on create goal or the plus button, and then just enter a name for your goal, for example emergency fund or vacation, and set your target amount. And actually guys, you can choose a target date to help you to stay on a schedule, and that's optional, right? And then just select the accounts you will use to track your saving if prompted, and tap save to create your goal. So to track your progress, you will need to open the goals tab at any time to view your progress, and the Rocket Money updates your goal automatically as the balance and the linked account changes. And you can edit your goals name, target amount, or target date whenever your plans change. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.